shattered and waste precious time and I've been like, oh, I knew the moment I met you that I'd always adore you. Maybe
Feel hurricane heat in my head, the kind of pain you feel to get good in the end, good in the end. Inscribed like stone and faded by the rain. Give up what you love, give up what you love.
At dumating nga ang araw na iyon. Sa kanilang kalungkutan, binigyan ng Diyos sina Adan at Eva ng isang
we don't wanna play no games. Name the time and the place. Or do you want space? I can give it one. What it takes for you to say it again. Maybe I won't be the same.
Di mahirap gawing masarap, gawa ng milyon gamit ang rap. Iwan ang kasama na puro panggap. Di mo ako mag-gets, pangarap ay high. Sintaas ng jets, tingala sa sky. Sa'kin sa bek ka makasakay. Iwan yung dating mga kasabay. Hindi nakameth, sipag lang. Tignan mo sa net, kilalang na malupet na nilalang. May
magtagumpay, bumangon at lumaban. Kaya ito ako ngayon, isa na akong pamilyadong tao. 41 taon ng kagapay ng pamilyang Pilipino, ang tanging produktong pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga kampyonato, epektibong disinfectant, panlaban sa mikrobyo na nagdag...
Pero sa mga importanteng bagay, hindi na. Huwag naman sana ganun, di ba? Pag kalokohan, kalokohan. Kapag seryoso, seryoso. Dapat kaya mong maging versatile. Versatile. Di ba? Huwag yung hinahaluan ng kalokohan, yung mga bagay na hindi naman dapat. Ayan.
To the end of the day, the clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart.
Africa.
Hikayatin ang aming pamunuan at mga mamamayan na palagi ang manalangin sa iyo at ikaw ay aming hanapin habang kami ay tumatalikod sa aming mga kasalanan upang kami ay iyong pakinggan at patawarin at pasaganahin ang aming bayan. Aming panalangin na magtiwala
I can hold you, but not with lovers' arms, 'cause you are more of a brother to somewhere, somehow. Twas more than I could take. Pity for pity's sake. Some nights kept me away. I thought that I was stronger. When you gonna realize that you don't need patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room like we're 18 and senior prom and grow old with someone who Kitty hoops every time I see you. Kitty hoops, I want to know you. Kitty hoops, hope you feel the same. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na magkasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghihirap at tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga what I would do when I heard your song. Fill my heart with the freedom. You knew I could not resist. I needed someone, and I was lying through hard.
So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, others laugh. Some look alone with no matter how. Others grieve, while others curse. Others
Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool.
And be extraordinary with MX3.
Energy.
Number 1.7.
Energy.
In grief. Catch Wish Date Solace, a fusion of film, stage play, and concert. Featuring James Blanco, Yuki Takahashi, Chastity Dizon, Sonia Mejia.